Welcome to my channel. I'm Jeff Anderson, and this is Anderson Investing. Today we're going to be talking about CCIV's merger with Lucid Motors, and the new rumor that they might be making a deal with Apple. Here we are on lucidmotors.com, where they announced on February 22nd that they are officially going public in the merger with special purpose acquisition company Churchill Capital 4, bolstering Lucid's vision to redefine luxury, performance, and efficiency in the sustainable electric vehicle market. The mission is to inspire the adoption of sustainable transportation by creating the most captivating luxury electric vehicles centered around the human experience. This transaction provides additional growth capital as Lucid brings the over 500-mile range Lucid Air luxury electric sedan to market and expands rapidly to offer a broad range of electric vehicle products powered by Lucid's proprietary electric vehicle powertrain technology. CCIV and Lucid are combining at a transaction equity value of $11.75 billion. That transaction includes an approximately $2.1 billion cash contribution by CCIV and a $2.5 billion fully committed PIPE with an investor lockup provision that binds holders well beyond closing. The PIPE is priced at $15 per share, a 50% premium to CCIV's net asset value, with an implied pro forma equity value of $24 billion. Now, a PIPE is a private investment in public equity deal, referring to the practice of private investors buying a publicly traded stock at a price below the current price available to the public. Mutual funds and other large institutional investors can strike deals to buy large chunks of stock at a preferred price. PIPE deals are often offered by companies looking to raise a large amount of capital quickly. The PIPE investment is anchored by the Public Investment Fund as well as funds and accounts managed by BlackRock, Fidelity Management and Research LLC, Franklin Templeton, Neuberger Berman, Wellington Management, and Winslow Capital Management LLC. The transaction includes the largest ever SPAC-related common stock PIPE. Peter Rawlinson will continue to lead Lucid as CEO and CTO. Lucid currently employs nearly 2,000 people, with 3,000 employees expected to be added in the U.S. domestically by the end of 2022. Here we see the 1-month chart on Yahoo Finance. On the day it was announced on February 22nd, investors sold the news, took profit before it would drop. Some might have thought that it was going to go down to the PIPE price of $15 a share, which it hasn't gone to yet, and it might not. Went down to just over $20 a share on Friday, March 5th around 11:25 a.m. I grabbed a couple more shares before it went back up, and it settled around $24.39. I believe some have been disappointed that it wasn't a higher valuation, though it's supposed to be $24 billion including the PIPE offering. Some are upset that the PIPE deal bought shares at a much cheaper rate than the current price. Including in the summary of the transaction, it says that none of Lucid's existing investors will sell stock in the transaction and are subject to a 6-month lockup for the shares that they receive in the transaction, and all proceeds will be used as growth capital for the company to execute on its strategic and operational initiatives. Lucid currently has no indebtedness, and the transaction includes $2.5 billion fully committed common stock PIPE with a unique investor lockup provision that runs until the later of September 1st, 2021, and the date of PIPE shares are registered. In connection with the transaction, Churchill's sponsor has entered into an agreement to amend the terms of its founder equity to align with long-term value creation and performance of Lucid. Churchill's sponsor has agreed not to transfer its founder equity for 18 months after the closing of the transaction. Now, in a video posted to Twitter by Spaculator, Peter Rawlinson has essentially said that the Lucid Air could use a partnership with a big Silicon Valley company for better software to go with, or good software to go in the Lucid Air. Let's watch that video.
Compelling argument for partnership. This is a pragmatist in me. Let's lead, let's create the very best EV technology in the world, and I believe Lucid's got that. But I think I'm up for partnership in terms of software. We've got the best car, we have the best hardware suite. We've got all this connected with an Ethernet gigabit ring, super connected car, 2 terabytes of data onboard storage, super cloud connectivity. This is the perfect platform for any Silicon Valley big company to prove out its AD software, I think.
Now, was this all developed in-house, or did you partner with?
Notice him raising the eyebrows like that.
There's a compelling argument for partnership. This is a pragmatist in me. Let's create the very best EV technology in the world, and I believe Lucid's got that. But I think I'm up for partnership in terms of software. We've got the best car, we have the best hardware suite. We've got all this connected with an Ethernet gigabit ring, super connected car, 2 terabytes of data onboard storage, super cloud connectivity. This is the perfect platform for any Silicon Valley big company to prove out its AD software, I think.
Now, was this all developed?
Now, we don't know for sure if Apple will partner with them and provide software for the Lucid. We don't know if it's Google or what company. We don't know if Apple is going to create their own car. But even if they did, they could still make money off of having Lucid Air use their software. As always, I am not a financial advisor. This is strictly for entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and due diligence. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the new Apple rumor, and tell me how many shares of CCIV you currently own. Don't forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.